Good morning, guys. Welcome to the Ethereum overview. We're going to dive in deep into price action today. I've actually never done a video like this. I want to teach you guys about price action of candles, and can we use price action along with our indicators and metrics to actually predict if this market is going to start dropping down here, like I was calling in Bitcoin, watching for a 10% drop, or is this a move down going to trap short trades? I also want to show you guys how short trades are increasing and long trades are moving out. That is a bearish sign. So we're going to go over that today. We're going to go a little bit faster through this video, but we're just going to have a lot of fun. Guys, currently sitting at 116 wins and 0 losses. We've never lost a win, a win, that's true. We've never lost a win, but we've never lost a trade trading crypto. So if you guys want to trade with us, come over here. Join us, guys. The link's in the description. Go ahead and click that. Real quick, I want to get this out of the way in the beginning of the video so you guys know this. By the way, guys, we just released a chat feature on the website, and it is blowing up. You guys are crazy. Like, this thing absolutely took off, and you guys are writing paragraphs in here. You're helping each other. This was ridiculous. So anyways, guys, it's called the Rooftop Crypto Chat. But anyways, here's what you guys end up getting with this. I'll explain it real quick. $95 a month. That's all you guys are paying. That's it. You guys are going to get access to all the metrics I'm about to show you for Ethereum, but you get it for all the coins. The Telegram access, where you guys are literally getting all, when I enter a coin or whenever we enter back into a live trade, you are going to get notified of it. Every single exit, you can get notified of it. You can literally copy everything I'm doing, guys. Everything I'm doing. I have $150,000 in the account here, and we're currently sitting up this morning probably around $3,000 to $4,000. So you guys will be able to copy every one of our moves, up about 5,000 from 150. So that's pretty cool. All the master classes are yours. Obviously the community chat, which is just blowing up, and it's awesome. And then we're gonna go live in Zoom on April 14th. So just want to let you guys know what you get with it. I'm not gonna turn it into a big sales video, but anyways, that's what you guys get, and it unlocks all the metrics. So let's go to crypto charts and scroll down to Ethereum, and we're going to go over this. I want to talk about this first. Trend dashboard, most retail trader indicators right now, they are bullish, especially with moving averages, because this thing is just a straight shot up here. Okay, price versus wall money flow, trend exhaustion. You guys need to understand how to read these, because it will help impact the market, because a lot of people use these, as well as it's going to predict what's going to happen next. I really do believe this. If you guys look to see when trend exhaustion is in the top red section and while money flow is high, you will see a move back down in the market here. Interesting. Trend exhaustion high, while money flow high, you'll see a move back down. This is so accurate, guys. I've actually coded indicators for tradingview.com customers for a living about 2.5 years ago, coming on close to 3 years now. Okay, this is what I have done for a living before. There are no two better indicators more accurate than this. These are going to help you guys predict the tops before they come into the market. They will also help you guys predict the bottoms, and we have a full scalping strategy you can watch to use these indicators with on the website. It's actually called Masterclass 7. You guys can watch that. Okay. What I'm trying to point out here is what has happened in the past when we've come to these areas where trend exhaustion is high. Literally, this looks at the patterns of price action, which I call human behavior. And it also is going to look at this indicator here, price action in pink or red, and well money flow in green. When the whales start buying, they eventually sell because they take profits. They don't even hold for the long term, okay? When they come out here and they sell, it's going to drop the market back down. When the trend exhaustion is low and well money flow is low as well, this is where you're going to start seeing movements back up in price, okay? Scalp with these. Predict the market moves before they move down. Brag to your friends you were able to call the crypto drop with the indicators. Whatever you guys would like. Do make sure you snag these today. You guys have one more day to get these indicators, and they are going up. We have the biggest sell. Let me say this really quick, guys. I don't want to turn this into a big sales video, but listen. You guys have, some of you are Australian traders. You guys actually have less than 24 hours because you're actually already in March 31st right now. So it's going to end March 31st at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So everyone, you guys literally have 1 day left. It's the biggest sell we've ever had. Coupon code March. That's all I'm going to say. It's going to give you the biggest deal. All the indicators you guys will get. This guy made $43,000, $1,200, $4,000, $2,200, $20,000, $7,000, $2,300. Okay. It's awesome. Just don't miss it. Here's your chance. If you ever want to get our indicators, literally they will never be cheaper than this. They'll never be cheaper. Just know that, okay? Just want to say that kind of strongly the next couple of days and just let you guys know so no one feels like they're missing out. Okay, I want to dive into this. I've never taught you guys this before, and I want to go really deep into price action. Okay, here we go. It's actually playing out kind of in the favor of what I was thinking this morning. So watch this. I want to teach you guys this. What we're forming right now is somewhat arguably of what you call a bull flag. Okay. A bull flag is what's called a flagpole, an impulse move, followed by a consolidation period to the downside, or in other words, is what's called a descending channel. Okay. An impulse with a descending channel in an uptrend will usually try to push to the upside. Okay, but understand this. Watch what happens here and follow me along very quickly. And we're going to actually use this down here. When the price started moving up very quickly into this higher area, trend exhaustion is high while money flow is high. All right, I'm expecting selling pressure to come into the market. So we got a nice selling pressure candle right here. Okay, after selling pressure candle, you need to look to see what happens next, because is the selling pressure going to be met by buying power? And it did for 3 candles straight. Okay, that was right up here and is very close to the actual peak when we can see this. If we go straight up here, right on this area, and I usually tell you guys in the next 3 to 4 candles is usually where the top is. Okay, follow me here. After this really bullish candle here, you then see a selling power that is almost met with the same volume in the same, let me say it a different way, the same price movement is a better way of saying that. Okay, once it's moved down here, we can see the opening was here and it tried to push down and it closed up here, very bullish. And then the next candle actually ended up opening up right here, dropped a lot and actually ended here. This does seem bearish, but this is actually more of a bullish sign. Okay, again, let me show you this. If you open here, okay, this is where it opened, because this is where the last one closed, is right here. This is where it opened and this is where it closed. This one opened here and dropped all the way down and then it came back over here. This is a bullish sign, okay? Next candle's bullish. But what do you guys see happening as we go down here? We are not actually coming above these highs here. So what it's doing is it's creating a high and a lower high moving down here. This is what's called, this is a bearish formation. All right. Now, as you start watching this move down, this right here is actually somewhat of a bullish sign, because you have an open and a close, and it went so far down within that 4-hour duration that people ended up buying it back up and almost came back to the entry. That's pretty bullish. In my opinion, that's bullish, knowing price action. Then you come over here and you see a big move back down. So what am I looking at as far as a target of where this thing can go? If you simply just draw this channel, I'm looking at this move right here at the descending. Let me get this out here and show this to you guys. I know I'm going a little bit more in depth with this, but I'd be looking at this channel move right here. Let me pull this out here and let's do this, because then once we have this on the chart, we can actually do some more predictions here. I think a move back down to about 33.15. Let me write this on the iPad real quick so I can make sure we all have this for our notes. 33.15 is where I'm looking at. Okay. Once you hit 33.15 down here, this will most likely push trend exhaustion to the bottom, well money flow at the bottom as well, and you guys will most likely see a really decent bounce back up, probably about 33.83. All right. If this thing starts moving down, you first have to break this level here. Why? Because it's part of the descending support. It's also part of structure support as well. So for this market to move down, you guys think it's going to crash. And I don't think it's not going to crash. I think that's an absolute possibility. But I think around 33.15 is where we're going to stop and then see a move back up. Okay. I just wanted to just teach you guys how to read that chart and kind of a little bit about price action. So hopefully that was kind of cool. Now let's dive into actually blockchain and on-chain metrics over here of what's going on, because this is going to give us more data. The emotional index of the market is pushed into excited and greedy. So when you have a market that is excited and greedy here, you need to look when have, not price action, when has emotions carried out with the same manner. And that has been in these areas right here. That was in this drop right here. We saw the drop back down in crypto. It came over here. We saw the drop back down in crypto. And then we saw this over here as well. Okay, this is over here on this move down for this drop, okay? When you guys are looking at this actually move right here, my apologies. This move down here is actually this move right there. If you guys look at this, because we're on a 4-hour and this is a daily time frame over here. So when we're getting greedy, when retail traders are getting greedy and excited, this is where the market's looking to drop. Guys, this thing is going to drop. Prepare yourselves for a drop. I've already prepared myself emotionally. I'm okay if we go back into the high 140s. I'm okay with a $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 drop, because I know it's going to be healthy for eventually a move back up. Look at this. Long and short trades. Short trades are increasing over here and long trades are moving out, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video. You guys can see this right over here. All right. Short trades increasing right now says that people are hedging their bets right now on a fall in cryptocurrency. Okay. This happened the last few days. I wonder why. Price or swell money flow high, trend exhaustion high. It's called so many drops in the past that it would be kind of foolish not to at least get something into a short trade because it's so ridiculously high right here. Not to mention, we are also sitting at a very strong resistance over here with structure, structure, and structure. Right at this 33.70, 33.80, okay? Long trades moving out is not a bullish sign. This is basically saying long traders are abandoning their positions. They're saying that people going long, they're like, okay, we're selling. That's why this is not heading up as fast as you guys want it to, is because long trades are selling out of their positions because they're dropping off their long trades, and some of them are actually going back to short trades. But let me give you guys a little bit of hope for those of you guys who are like, I want this to go to the moon. Well, sorry to bust your bubble, nothing's going to the moon. But I will give you a strong argument. There is tens of millions of dollars flooding into Ethereum right now. This market cap over here, guys, to have this big of an increase is literally tens of millions of dollars. Let me scroll in here just a little bit more. This pump right here, which literally happened in about 2-3 days, is a ridiculous amount of money. That is the pump right here. So what I want you guys to be watching for is if this price action, listen carefully, if this goes down at all, okay, if price action goes down and market cap at all increases, that means literally institutions, whales, the big boys are not only buying Ethereum, they are dumping their other altcoins, they're selling them, and they are buying Ethereum on the drop. Very powerful metric you guys need to be watching over here, okay? So when you guys see that, you need to be watching for that move up. But literally tens of millions of dollars are heading in here. So this causes momentum to keep pushing back up, which if I had to like make a percentage here, I would say a temporary drop is what I'm expecting for an overall continuation up because of how ridiculous the market cap is moving up here. Like literally, guys, tens of millions, arguably probably hundreds of millions of dollars pumped into Ethereum in the last just a week or so. So trades in favor, we are sitting in the good short trade area. So yes, there's a lot of selling pressure and short that are going to be coming out here looking to trade this back down. And here's the thing, guys, a lot of people who short, some exchanges don't even allow you to short without leverage. If people are looking to just come down here to structure low, 10%, if you're using 2-3x leverage, there's guys out there making 20 to 30%. Of course, there's going to be people shorting this. So let the price come down on you. Wells and institutions, smart money, they're looking to short this as well. They did this last time over here. They dropped the price, guys. They did this last time over here. They're like, oh, we didn't get what we wanted over here. They kept doing shorts and they got exactly what they wanted, made all their money back. Okay? Look over here. Short trades came out. They dropped the market. When you guys have a membership over here, you are able to access all this data, and this data is what makes us really good traders, and we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube, possibly the highest win rate ever in crypto. It's pretty awesome. So looking at this, where's the next resistance if we start moving up? Let's play this game now of looking at the upside. Okay, wisdom looks at both sides, guys. 4,157. 4,157 is right around this area here, this structure high. I think the first structure we're probably going to hit is actually the structure supports here, which is right around this area about 36,040. Okay, just a simple move up here to this bottom structure support, which is now future resistance. All right, that's where I'm looking at. I also want to bring your guys' attention here to the 50% Fibonacci retracement. Okay, you take it from the low of the trend. I'm going to pull this over here. Okay, take it from the low, take it from the high. It's kind of like a song. Take it from the low, take it from the high. Another bearish sign is that we are getting very close, if not probably touching the 50% retracement zone within the next few days. This is another reason why I believe we could possibly see a move back down. If I was sitting here and my mother was right next to me and she said, Travis, I need you to tell me what you honestly think out of all the years of trading, 4,000 plus hours of trading, coaching hedge funds, all this, what do you think is going to happen? I think there's going to be a drop back down in the market. That's what I believe. A temporary drop, probably to structure or somewhere around here, and then for a continuation move back up. So hold your positions. And honestly, guys, on this drop, if you're scalping with our indicators, get in here and look for that entry for the long to go back up here and scalp for 3 to 4%. Okay, I know some of you guys are brand new to this. I have to show this to you guys real quick. People are doing like crazy money with these this scalping masterclass. Go to the masterclass, scroll all the way down, and go to masterclass 7. This is how you do it. Scalp with the indicators and the metrics. I'll show you guys how to scalp with these. It's a really fast strategy. It's not the main one we use. This big strategy is the one that's like literally made people ridiculous amounts of money. But if you guys want to scalp faster and have something faster to play with, use that masterclass 7 for that, okay? Let's move down here. Dollar cost average entries. You guys are looking really good. You guys are just in ridiculous profit. For everybody who came out and took this, this is called right over here. So you guys are literally sitting in the profit right now of about 34%. I came out here at 2250. So 2250 sits right here. I showed you guys on the channel already. I am sitting, I put in, I believe it's about, I actually, no, I'm sorry. I think it was about $3,000, something like that. So I'm sitting up 50% right now on my Ethereum trade that I put in there. Okay. So that trade is up 50%. That's part of the reason why our account is doing so well here. And we're in the profit while other people are down 30-40% still down 30 to 40% in their accounts because we use good risk management. Okay, guys. So last but not least, let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup. I want to keep this private for our members, but I'll show this to you guys over here. Go to the crypto charts. Let's go to Bitcoin. And then I'll talk about the indicator sub one more time. I'll show you guys one other fun thing with that, and then we'll end this video today. But I hope you guys just enjoyed this. If you guys like anything in this video, it literally means the world to me and my team, Jake and Josh. If you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel, throw a like on there. They tell me I don't say that enough. So subscribe and throw a like on the video if you guys enjoy this. It really is super awesome. Thanks, guys. Okay. This is how you trade our strategy. This is how we've never lost a trade. You choose the amount that you want to enter in with each of our coins. Let's say it's $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions, so 250. Place 250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow, so 250, 250, 250, 250. You are literally going to see I meticulously went over the coins this morning and updated the buy limits. For Luna, you guys, Luna is a coin that's blasting off to close to all-time highs pretty much. Watch those entries. Oh man, I spend more time on this, guys, than you probably think. Let's just say that. I look at quarters theory levels. I look at Fibonacci retracements. I look at bank numbers. I look at bot levels. I look to see where support and resistances are. I think about what I've taught million and billion-dollar hedge funds of how to enter and exit markets to trade against retail traders. So then I put that knowledge so I can give you guys the best entries. It's part of the reason why we have such a high frequency of wins is because we get into such good levels and the price just bounces. It's because I know the metrics. I coded the indicators. I coded all the metrics on the website, and we kind of mastered this strategy of risk management over here. So when I update them, this is part of the reason why we are the highest win rate channel. I've taken so much knowledge that, honestly, God has blessed me with to know the markets and connect me with people and pay thousands of dollars to learn education. And I put all of it into this. And I've kind of in a sense, dedicated my life to this for the last almost close to half a decade. I really, really dove into this. And it's just been so fun to see a lot of people benefit from this. And it's just awesome. It really is awesome. Sorry if that was a side tangent, but I don't know, just hit me. Thank you guys. I'm honored to be helping you guys and to see you guys literally in our chat, using this and to be able to create a safe place for you guys to come share your emotions about crypto, of what you guys are seeing. This is so awesome to see. So guys, please keep using this as much as you want. Myself, Jake, and Josh won't be in there a ton because we actually want to use all of our time for answering email support, and then also to literally focus on trading. I'm not in there a lot because my number one goal for you guys, I'm sorry this is a side tangent, but if you guys want to know about me and a little bit more of the business, this might be good. For me, I'm focusing on this. I'm focusing on making us all money. So if you don't see me, the Trade Confident LLC, in there a lot, it's because I'm literally on the charts looking for the next exit or the entry so we can all be hopefully someday millionaires or something like that. So anyways, that's what you guys do. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit up here for 100%. But then after that, guys, just join me in the Telegram channel. That's all you have to do. So click this link. Make sure you're signed into Telegram on your phone or your computer first, or you guys can just click this link of Telegram right up here, and you guys will get access to the Telegram channel where I literally call everything. It's like having me as your best friend on text message. I'll tell you every entry I'm getting into, every single time I'm exiting a coin. Even if I'm not in a coin, I'll still show you the entry. I'll still show you the exit. We'll still keep track of it because we're running a service over here. I'm not in Bitcoin, but we still track it. We still track the wins because I know a lot of you guys are. The indicators, as I mentioned already, you guys literally have, some of you, less than 24 hours right now if you're on the other side of the world. You're going to get 84% off all of our indicators. You're going to get the 3 you need anyways, but then you're also going to get all the other 6 on top of them. So total of 9. This is the lowest price we've ever had. Okay. Let me say that another way. We will never have the price lower than this. We had this price back here in the Black Friday sale last year, but then after the Black Friday sale, we actually upped the price of these 3. So this really is the biggest value discount we have ever ran for the business ever. So don't miss this. And I do give you my word, guys, the price will never be cheaper than this. So if you guys literally want to get it rock bottom and don't feel like you ever like missed out, just get them now and you guys can have them. Literally, there's like 24 hours left for you guys on some of you. And we are going to be upping the price March 31st on Thursday. Okay, at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So don't miss your chance, guys. Just get in here and snag that. All right, guys, God bless you so much. I do think a temporary drop, and I wouldn't doubt, guys, like just be prepared for a 10% drop. Like I said in Bitcoin, a 10% drop in here is going to push us to structure low. Like, look at this. It's right there, 10%. There's a reason why I call 10%. It's at structures for Ethereum and Bitcoin. Expect the 10% drop. If it goes up, great. You're all excited and we're looking for exits, and I'll call that out for you guys in Telegram. So I think this is a really realistic prediction, and I hope you guys enjoy this. God bless you guys. Get the membership, get access to all the metrics, join the chat so you guys can hang out together, as well as, just follow me in Telegram so you guys can make as many wins as you'd like, and then make sure you guys get the indicators, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, guys, God bless you. Have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.